today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Pokemon Go coins for free. So you're able to get Pokecoins for completely free, and it's working in 2024, guys. I've managed to find a method, and it's going to get you a ton of free Pokecoins, and it only takes you a few minutes, and it is working in 2024. So I'm going to show you today, guys, how to go ahead and do this. You need to use a mobile phone and have an internet connection, of course. Let me just try and focus this camera. Is that better? Ow! Ow! Okay, yeah. Took the skin off. Okay, guys. Oh. Anyway, guys, let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get free Pokecoins. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Just had a little pit stop. I'm pleased to say my knee's better now. So let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get free Pokecoins in Pokemon Go. So you need to use a mobile, have an internet connection, and go to the following website, guys. www.robotcoupons.com. So very important, you go to Robot Coupons, type it exactly like this, guys. This is a brand new coupon codes website that I discovered. They have tons of different pages on here. You can have a browse at your leisure and see what they have, but you need to look for the Pokemon Go free Pokecoins and more page. So you can go to the search bar here if you can't find it and search for Pokemon Go, and it should pop up this page here, guys. So this page is going to show you a couple of different codes. You can get a 10,000 free Pokecoins promo code. This is a simple code that you can redeem in game, and is going to credit your account 10,000 Pokecoins for completely free. You can see these codes are limited, guys, so there is a bit of a process of unlocking your code, but it does only take around 5 to 10 minutes. So go ahead and click on show code. And this is a 10,000 free Pokecoins promo code. You need to unlock the full code. As I said, these are limited codes and they are protected to stop people from getting millions of these Pokecoins. So go ahead and tap unlock code. Now, I'm not going to run through the full process. I want to save these codes for you guys. But you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your free Pokecoins code. It takes about 5 minutes. You need to complete a couple of these simple tasks. It will be pretty obvious if you follow the instructions on how to do it, and that's going to fully unlock your Pokecoins code, which you can redeem in game, and it's going to credit you 10,000 Pokecoins for completely free. So go to Robot Coupons and just search for the Pokemon Go page and enjoy your free Pokecoins, guys. That is how to do it. It's going to save you a ton of money because these Pokecoins are super expensive, and yeah, I spent hours searching. So enjoy, smash the like button, and I'll see you next time.